Introducing CATS Micro, our newest service to get you where you need to go. CATS Micro provides on-demand shared rides from one point to another within a designated zone. On-demand service means you can access service when needed within the service hours. Ready to book your first ride? All you need is the CATS Pass app, which you can download for free on Google Play and the Apple App Store. Open the CATS Pass app and type your destination into the Plan Your Trip banner at the top of the screen. As long as your pickup location and destination are within the designated zone, you can choose Micro as a travel option. Just hit Start Booking. You'll then be asked if you would like to add additional passengers and accessories, like a wheelchair. You can use the plus and minus signs to add these if needed. Once you've confirmed your details, it's time to select a payment option. You can either use an existing pass or purchase a new one. Select a local bus and Links fare. Then, you'll need to choose a ticket type. You can select one-way, weekly unlimited, or monthly unlimited rides. After you've chosen the type of ticket, you'll select the number of tickets you and your passengers need. Remember to purchase a ticket for each passenger you've added. Now you're ready to add the tickets to your cart and select a payment method. Since there's none in our CATS Pass wallet, we'll need to purchase one. You can also set up a new payment option with your credit or debit card here, or make it simple by using Apple Pay. Once you've reviewed your information, simply swipe to pay. Your ticket will pop up immediately after purchase. Be sure to wait until you're ready to ride. Remember, one-way tickets are only good for 90 minutes after activation. Now your ticket is only a click away. Tap Request Ride Now at the bottom of your screen, and we'll let you know when your driver is on the way. Finally, it's time to ride. You'll even be able to view the driver's information and their estimated time of arrival. Once your trip has been confirmed, you'll find information on your journey on the homepage. Now that you know how to book, you're ready to get rolling with CATS Micro. To learn about CATS Micro, visit ridetransit.org or contact CATS Customer Service at 704-336-7433.